Hey guys, welcome back. So we're outside today. We had a fresh snowfall last night. We still have a little bit of flurries, but it's basically stopped. So I'm gonna get some snow blowing done. We have a few other things I want to get going in the yard. Our local woodpecker has reminded me that the suet in the front yard is low or gone. Get a few chores around the house done, and then we're gonna go inside and some of the things we moved inside. I'll show you how they're doing. So let's get started. Now the winter is here, all the leaves have fallen off the twisty baby locust, and you can see all the twists and turns of all of the branches, and that's what gives it its winter interest. The snowbanks are still pretty low, so you're still able to see the dark grasses popping up through the snow. And the St. John's wort's maintaining a lot of its color. So that's adding a little bit of winter interest and a little bit of color to the snow. Then you reach the Harry Lauder's walking stick with all of its twists and turns. Looks like something out of a fantasy. Everything looks so clean and white with a fresh blanket of snow on it. It'll just be a matter of time until we start to see the footprints of all of the wildlife running through the area. Alright, we're all done outside and we're going to move in. We're going to start off with the rosemary. The rosemary is looking a little leggy or spindly, and that's mostly because it's not getting enough light. The spot we have it in is going to get the most light in our kitchen or on this side of the house, but it's not enough. And that's the problem throughout the entire house. We do only have 2 south-facing windows in the 2 bedrooms, and that's it. Now that problem is going to continue with our Norway Spruce. We got this from the Arbor Day Foundation as a Christmas centerpiece. Now we're trying to keep it alive so we can move it outside, but we are getting some new growth on top, but the back end of it's starting to brown a little bit. So we're just going to keep watering it and keep rotating and try to even out the growth and even out the sun as best that we can. All right, then we're gonna move on to the lemon tree. The lemon tree is looking pretty sad. We brought it inside and immediately got hit with shock, and for the lack of sunlight, the lack of moisture, and it started to drop its leaves right away. Since then, we've continuously spritzed it. We have supplemented the light with a grow light, but it doesn't seem to be bringing it back full force. It is slowed down the process. We did harvest 2 lemons off of it. We do still have a lot of fruit growing on the tree, and they have doubled in size since we've brought it inside. And if you look on the back of the plant, there appears to be a little bit of new growth, some new leaves that are forming in the back. But overall, we're going to keep monitoring it and stay on top of it. Those 3 seem to be the only ones we're really having any issues with. If anybody has any suggestions, please leave them in the comments section or let us know. It would be greatly appreciated. Everything else seems to be doing really well and maintaining a lot of its color. But that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.